You said we could look at houses up to $800,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think this house is listed at?
$800,000.
$825,000?
This house is listed at $819,000.
Okay, in
Wow.
between what we said.
And I know that this is way above your original budget of $700,000. I think we all know how much it costs to be on a golf course.
It has the bare bones that we need. It just needs some work.
Pound for pound, it's got everything that we need in the spot that we want to be in.
It's a nice house.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Yeah, I mean, we can entertain in the kitchen, look out at the golf course.
There are some things in that house that Hilary is not giving them.
You know, we're gonna have to weigh this. We're gonna have to see what Hilary does and then weigh it with what we have here.
How can she compete with this?
I mean, this is on the golf course, and we literally can walk to our other house from here.
So what do I think the odds are on me winning this? Very, very good.
Hey, Hilary.
Hi.
Hi. Big day's arrived, guys. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Can't
Let's go.
wait. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Come on in.
Oh, that looks so cute in there.
Oh, my gosh.
Take a
Yeah, it
look.
looks great.
Go on in.
Okay.
Oh, I love it.
This
the
looks
light,
great.
It looks good.
Yeah, lots of storage.
There's the workstation here with the doors, so it'll be nice and quiet.
Yep, love it.
So let's keep on going.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks great.
This is nice.
Oh, it's gorgeous. This is perfect.
This will fit the kids and all of us.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Take a look at all the extra storage you have.
Oh, these are nice. Drawers and everything. Yeah, it's great.
Here it is, the
Wow.
kitchen.
Yeah, this is amazing. This is
So
beautiful.
much
This is so
detail.
pretty.
All
Yeah.
of your appliances are super high-end.
I can't wait till my dad sees the
Yeah,
stove.
he's gonna lose it. He's gonna start cooking.
You have this wonderful island here where you can have informal get-togethers.
Right.
Beautiful high-end finishes.
This is great. This is beautiful.
It will knock the socks
Yeah.
off your guests, and
Oh,
it's
yeah.
going to work for you and for the kids.
This is the same
is
size, but it has
beautiful.
more space that's so bright and open.
Oh, I love this.
And now there's even more to look at.
Oh, this
wow.
looks so cute.
You have a mud
man.
room.
I love it. Where's the washer and dryer?
Yeah.
You were concerned about your friends that they would be looking at laundry. So now this is totally presentable.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
this is a continuation of the kitchen right there.
See. Oh, this is so great. I love
Oh,
it.
it's killer.
So let's talk about the second floor because you were wondering where your laundry went, and we're going to go and find it now.
Okay.
New carpeting on your stairs, and we trimmed this out in black,
Yeah, it looks great.
which looks good, I think. So now that you have the second bathroom. You ready?
Awesome.
Yeah.
I can't
Okay.
wait.
Nice. Oh, this is so cute.
Oh, perfect.
I love it.
This takes the pressure off the original bathroom.
Yeah, that's great.
I think this is a great trade-off to lose that double height
Oh, yeah.
entry. And when we decided not to do the attic, that allowed me to give you this bathroom.
Yeah, no, the bathroom's great.
All right.
Okay.
Let's keep going.
I love it.
So you were wondering where your washer and your dryer is. Take a look. There it is.
Yay! They're beautiful.
Nice.
We took the space that used to be the linen closet,
This is great.
Perfect fit.
but there's another surprise coming up. So come and take a look down here.
There's stairs.
You've got a staircase up
That's
into your
great.
attic.
Sweet.
So, storage,
So convenient.
Easy access to the attic.
but eventually, man cave.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So now we're talking about the master.
One more.
In you go.
Cool.
Oh, this looks great. It
Holy
still looks
cow.
so big.
Totally different. It works.
Let's go and look at your
Drum roll.
bathroom next.
Drum roll.
Are you ready?
Yeah. See? Oh, this
It's
is so pretty.
Gorgeous. Oh, it's cool.
This is great.
You now have your own vanity. You have a shower that is massive.
Yeah, this is
It's got
great.
a nice bench in it, too.
I'm never leaving this.
This is perfect.
room.
It's like a spa.
I think this entire house is everything that you asked me for.
Yeah.
So Dave is waiting to meet up with you downstairs. But for now, I just want you to remember how great this is.
Okay.
All right.
Awesome. Thanks, Hilary.
It looks pretty awesome.
It looks great.
But there is one element missing.
The golf course.
Exactly. We found a house on your golf course. And it was a beautiful house. You walk in, beautiful foyer, you've got a place for your office.
Yeah.
And you move into that beautiful open concept living room, kitchen combination.
Screened-in porch.
With a view of the golf course. Also, it had a main floor guest room, dedicated laundry, and a fantastic master bedroom.
Remember the bathrooms?
Right.
That was beautiful.
That was beautiful.
Overlooking the course.
Being on a golf course is a way better investment than being here. Just something to think about.
Right.
So, you have a decision to make. Before you make that decision, I have one more listing to show you, and it's yours.
Okay.
That is now the current value of your home with the renovation that has been done.
Wow.
Nice.
Okay.
The value of Jimmy and Lisa's home before the renovation was $410,000. They put $170,000 into the renovation. And now, the new value of their home is $590,000. That's an increase in value of $180,000.
Something to think about.
Okay.
David was able to find a home in the perfect location that comes with a grand kitchen for entertaining and enough bedrooms and bathrooms to satisfy 3 growing kids and occasional house guests. But even though Jimmy and Lisa raised their purchasing budget to $800,000, the house is still over budget. Hilary was able to stick to the budget she was given and delivered a completely redesigned kitchen, dining, and kids' study area. She also created a new second-floor bathroom and laundry, and she turned the master bathroom into an oasis. The only thing she couldn't do within budget was transform the attic into a guest room and man cave for Jimmy.
Kitchen's gorgeous.
It's beautiful. I'll be honest, this is a better kitchen than the one I showed them.
I'll be honest.
Yes,
Okay, well, let's just know that you're not.
but I'm always honest.
The other house had a screened-in porch overlooking the golf course.
I know,
It's
I know.
hard to find.
The directive I got was, if Jimmy's gonna move, it's gonna have to be on a golf course.
$819,000.
It's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money.
I couldn't finish the attic because they wouldn't give me another dime.
It had the 3rd floor.
Yeah, the 3rd floor that was
It's
already
finished.
finished.
But we do have stairs up to the attic here now.
So we could do that here.
Right.
See, you think you have a harder job, but I have to deal with a real estate market that most people don't understand.
Oh, that's so tough. It's awful.
I think I made my decision.
Let's go tell him.
Okay?
Okay, so, decision made?
Yep, we made our decision.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We're going to love it.
Yes!
You don't want to be on the golf course?
We're loved and would want to be on the golf course, but the kitchen's gorgeous. There's another bathroom for the kids here.
I'm thrilled.
It's great.
I know from the beginning, I thought that Hilary would do a great job. It's not just beautiful, but it's functional. You know, we have more space and more space for the kids, and this is exactly what we need right now.